friends, welcome to our channel Farmer Geeks with the slogan We Grow Together. Best government schemes and programs in agriculture for farmers. Important government schemes in agriculture. Let me know about the schemes in detail. PM Kisan Scheme. Pradhana Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana is an initiative of the government wherein 120 million small and marginal farmers of India with less than 2 hectares of land holding will get up to rupees 6,000 per year as a minimum income support. PM Kisan Scheme has become operational since 1st December 2018. Under this scheme, cultivators will get rupees 6,000 in 3 installments. For more details, check with the website www.pmkisan.gov.in. Pradhana Mantri Kisan Mandhan Yojana. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched a pension schemes for the small and marginal farmers of India last September. Under PM Kisan Mandhan scheme, about 5 crore marginalized farmers will get a minimum pension of rupees 3,000 per month on attaining the age of 60. Those who fall in the age group of 18 to 40 years will be eligible to apply for the scheme. Under these schemes, the farmers will be required to make a monthly contribution of rupees 55 to 200 depending on their age of entry in the pension fund till they reach the retirement date 60 years. The government will make an equal contribution of the same amount in the pension fund for the cultivators. Pradhana Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. Pradhana Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana is an actuarial premium based scheme where farmers has to pay maximum premium of 2% of kharif, 1.5% of rabi food and oilseeds crops, and 5% for annual commercial or horticulture crops, and the remaining part of the agricultural or bidded premium is equally shared by the central and state government. An important purpose of the scheme is to facilitate quick claims settlements. The claim should be settled within 2 months of harvest, subject to timely provision of both yield data and share of premium subsidy by state government. Click this link for more details, that is pmfby.gov.in. Kisan Credit Card Scheme. Kisan Credit Card Scheme is yet another important government scheme that provides farmers with timely access to credit. Kisan Credit Card Scheme was introduced in 1998 to provide a short-term formal credit to the farmers. KCC scheme was launched to ensure that the credit requirements for cultivators in the agriculture, fisheries and animal husbandry sectors were being met. Under this scheme, farmers are given short-term loans to purchase equipments and for their other expenses as well. There are many banks that offers KCC including SBI, HDFC, ICICI, Axis. Pashu Kisan Credit Card Scheme. For the growth and development of animal husbandry sector in the India, the government has launched Pashu Kisan Credit Card for livestock farmers. Haryana is the first state in the country to provide a Pashu Kisan Credit Card to the farmers. Under this scheme, farmers are given loan to buy cow, buffalo, goat, etc. To apply for Pashu Kisan Credit Card, you will have to go to your nearest bank. Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana. Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana is implemented with the aim to promote organic cultivation in India, to improve soil health as well as organic matter content, and to boost the net income of the farmers so as to realize a premium price. Under Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana, an area of 5 lakh acre is targeted to be covered through 10,000 clusters of 50 acre each from 2015 to 16 to 2017-18. Pradhanamantri Krishi Sinchana Yojana was launched on 1st July 2015 with the motto Har Kheti Ko Pani, to provide end-to-end solutions in irrigation supply chain, VIZ, water sources distribution network and farm level applications. PMKSY focuses on creating sources for assured irrigation, also creating a protective irrigations by harnessing rain water at a micro level through Jal Sinchana and Jal Sinchai and Jal Sinchana components. Accelerated irrigation benefits program implemented by Ministry of Water Resources, RD and GR. PM KSY Har Kheti Ko Pani implemented by Ministry of Water Resources, RD and GR. PM KSY Watershed implemented by Department of Land Resources. PM KSY Per Drop More Crop, PDMC. National Agriculture Market, ENAM. National Agriculture Market gives an e-market platform at the national level and support creations of infrastructure to enable e-marketing. This new market process is revolutionizing agriculture markets by guaranteeing a better price discovery. It also bring in transparency and competition to enable cultivators to get improved remuneration for their produce, moving towards one nation, one market. To register on ENAM, go to the website krishijagaran.com. Dairy Entrepreneurship Development Scheme. The Department of Animal Husbandry, Dairying and Fisheries had launched a pilot scheme called as a Venture Capital Scheme for Dairy and Poultry. In the year 2005-2006, the scheme aimed at extending support for setting up small dairy farms and other components to bring structural changes in the dairy sector. Later on, DA, HD and F changes its name to Dairy Entrepreneurship Development Scheme, and the revised schemes came into operation with effect from 1st September 2010. Rain-fed area development program. Rain-fed area development program was started as a sub-scheme under the Rashtriya Krishi Vikasa Yojana. The aim was to improve quality of life of farmers, especially small and marginal farmers, by giving a component package of activating a maximize farmer returns. It also helps in increasing agriculture productivity at rain-fed areas in sustainable way to adopting a suitable farming system based on approaches. It minimizes the adverse impacts of possible crops failure because of drought, flood, and uneven rainfall distributions through diversified and composite farming system. The program also helps increasing farmers' income and livelihood support for reduction of poverty in rain-fed areas. Soil health card system was launched in the year of 2015 in order to help the state governments to issue soil health cards to the farmers. The soil health cards gives information to the farmers on nutrient status of their soil along with recommendations on appropriate dosage of nutrients to be applied for improving soil health and its fertility. Check for more information soilhealth.dac.gov.in. National Mission of Sustainable Agriculture. National is one of the 8 mission under the National Action Plan on Climate Changes. It is aimed to promoting sustainable agriculture via climate change adoption measures, boosting agriculture productivity, especially in rain-fed areas, focusing on integrated farming, soil health management, and synergizing resources conservations. Livestock insurance scheme is aimed to provide a protection mechanism to farmers as well as cattle rearers against any eventual loss of animals because of death. The scheme also tells about the benefit of insurance of livestock to dairy farmers and popularizes it with the ultimate goal to attaining a qualitative improvement in livestock and their products. Thank you for watching our channel. Please do subscribe.